airy hair. If you are in the if you are a hairstylist, or you have business with modeling, then with the hair, or you put extension or whatever, then this is the business you should partner with. Let's go to click again to see the home page. Okay, we are already here. Let's take a look. You can see clip in, stick, hair nail, hair extension, that can be especially for girls dropshipping business. I don't know how a man can understand so much, but I don't want to make any difference, but definitely a woman understand better to make a dropshipping business with them, because she knows what it's all about. For a man, it's kind of difficult. Like here in the detail image, I consider that kind of on the man's side. This one can be a woman's side, but once again, I don't want to make difference. It's just a suggestion. In the end, doesn't matter. You can also, doesn't matter what it's a man or a woman or a transgender, whatever. And let's see a bit. You can have the video here. You can check it more on YouTube. You can see here that extension businesses, extension for hairdressers, salon, open your hair extension store, airy hair business partnership. Let's go a bit into that. You can make a partnership with them, and you will receive a $5 off every set when you buy hair extension, and so on. You will just please go and read all the details here, so you understand better. Let's go open your hair extension store if you want to open a store. You can start a business with them. What you get, let's take a look, but you don't know anything about it. They will help you about it. So they partnership with Lotosus, and they will give you a store premium reseller plan and the host for free for 1 year. So you get a free gifts worth of $129.35, which is okay. So if you start your own hair extension store, then you can get a free store hosting, free domain name, free store installation and setup, free design installation, 12 months of free hosting worth $120, let's call it easy, free domain name worth $10, and bonuses. And that's all that for one-time fee of $3.99, which is mean like this. You have to pay $3.99 one-time fee, but you get for 1 year free hosting and free domain, all the details. So you can see here, you can have a free lifetime wholesale. Yeah, you go here and read about it. Maybe I misunderstand something. I don't want to say something stupid, but just go here and pay attention more to the details. I don't want to advise you or suggest something stupid, but you have more time to take a look. The great thing is that I brought it into your attention, this supplier, so you can just take action and look on their website. Wholesale hair extension. Yeah, there is here their blog. Let's go back. It's not what we look for. Dropshipping opportunities. That's what we're looking for, right? So you can do dropshipping with them. There is a minimum order require of 500 units. So you need to order minimum 500 units. As we mentioned above, all you have to do is pick from any of their product and place an order. There is no specific requirements. Okay. You can read the testimonial here. Okay. Review. Social media. You can also review and benefits and requirements. If you have a YouTube channel, Instagram, and so on, get 25-200 off your hair purchase. As I said in the just a while ago, that's especially for a woman, but also a man if she's have long hair. Not my case. So yeah, sponsorship. If you have a popular YouTube channel, web, Instagram, Facebook, and so on, they can sponsor with free set of hair extension for your fans. For example, a contest with one random winner. Please check it out. Earn. You can also apply for an affiliate. You can be their affiliate, so you can earn money. You can earn $10 for your first sale, $4 to $5 for every set sold on a single order may include tens of set, and so on. Here there is all the commission you can get. Card and packaging, printing. That's for business, and you can take a look here. Let's take a look in the example. You can look. Yeah, I don't know exactly how to speak about these dropshipping suppliers, because it's not actually my field, but I'm happy because I can show you. So I hope you have more ideas and you can make a great thing with that.